If there's anywhere that's guaranteed to perk up a jaded palate, it's here in Macau. 4.5 centuries ago, traveling traders arriving from the West brought their own culinary influences, and spices arrived as far away as Africa, making Macanese cuisine diverse and delicious. The food here is a fusion of cultures and flavors honed over the years. A way of cooking that they invented through necessity became fashionable. European traders also recreate their own favorite dishes from home with local ingredients, like using Chinese lechon sausage instead of their favorite Portuguese chorizo, and introduce new foods to the region, which all inspired new and flavorsome dishes. Pepper and turmeric from Goa added warm spice, while star anise and cardamom from Malacca gave another layer of the complexity of taste. From appetizers to desserts, the rich trading history of Macau still influences many dishes today. These uniquely blended flavors can be found at Restaurante Litoral, a favorite with locals and tourists alike. Its authentic Macanese food comes from the family recipes of chef-founder Manuela Ferreira. The retro interiors here match with the warmth of Ferreira's home-cooked cuisine. Thank you. There's minchi, a dish of ground pork with potato cubes, and arroz de pato, or oven-baked duck rice, topped with chorizo. But what most people come here for is the galinha africana, or African chicken, which is a staple at Litoral. This is a modern example of Macau's rich cultural heritage. The chicken is marinated in a peri-peri style paste, which originated in Portugal, and is grilled before being covered in a thick sauce made of butter, onions, garlic, peanut butter, and coconut milk. Delicious. The flavors are amazing. How can anyone stop at just one bite? There is so much to eat in Macau, and it's difficult to stick to just 3 meals a day. Macau's Portuguese egg tarts are always mentioned when people talk about coming here. But it's the savory dishes that conjures up a delicious bite of past, present, and future. And as we've already discovered, when it comes to food, Macau really thrives on fusion. Take the dishes here at La Familia, the family restaurant run by Florita Alves. All the dishes here are inspired by the recipes she learned from her Chinese grandmother and Macanese mother-in-law. The family even jokingly refers themselves as balishao. It's a traditional Macanese sauce which is made out of fermented krill. It's a key ingredient in many of the dishes here. But how can I describe it if you can smell it? It's a type of fish sauce, an adaptation of the Malay shrimp paste belachan. And here they add brandy, cloves, and rice wine. It's what makes one of the most requested dishes on the menu. Porcho Balishao Tamarindo so special. Thank you. This slow-cooked pork is bathed with balishao and tamarind. It's almost a taste of all of Macau's heritage captured in one dish. I hope that this deliciously quick tour has given you a flavor of Macanese food. It's an intriguing cuisine that's developed over the years to trade and travel. So come try for yourselves. There's more to Macau.